Hi, it's Krista with WTI. Have you ever dreamed of achieving a gleaming, spotless floor that makes your whole space feel brand new again? Well, dream no more. Meet the AbleTack 20-inch Squeegee floor broom. This is going to be your new best friend in your cleaning routine. I recently had the pleasure of using this tool all around my home. And let me tell you that this 20+ inch silicone squeegee makes cleaning so much easier. You can clean huge areas in a short period of time, saving your energy and time and making cleaning so much more efficient. This squeegee will tackle any mess that can accumulate on any flat surface of your home. From dust to dirt to sand to pet hair, even liquids. This squeegee is going to get your floor back to being clean and safe in no time. The adjustable head of this squeegee and the lightweight telescopic rod makes cleaning hard to get areas so much easier. I can now get under my beds, get under the sofa without a problem. And once you're done cleaning with the tool, cleanup and storage is also a breeze. You can really quickly run it underwater to clean off the squeegee head, and you can hang it at full length on a utility hook, or you can reduce the size of the rod and place it into a smaller area. If you want to transform your cleaning routine and make it faster, easier, and more enjoyable, you'll definitely want to add this AbleTack Squeegee Broom to your cleaning cabinet right away. And that's my point of view.